Morning, students. In last class, we discussed about the environmental problems, environmental pollution, then about the acid rain and greenhouse effect. Today is the last topic of the lesson number 12, environmental problem, ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer protects us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Ozone layer found here the structure of the atmosphere. First here from at 13 to 18 kilometer, uh, 8 kilometer to 18 kilometer. Here the layer is known as the troposphere. Troposphere. And above 18 kilometer to 50 kilometer, here the layer name is stratosphere. Stratosphere. In stratosphere, approx here 15 to 35 kilometer. 15 to 35 kilometer. Here the layer name is ozone layer. The layer name is ozone layer. Here the found ozone gas. But here found ozone gas. And here the depletion of the ozone layer start, and the ozone from the part of this from whole of the ozone layer, and here the ultraviolet rays harmful for us, that is called the ozone layer depletion. यानी ओजोन लेयर का में छिद्र होना या उसका पतला होना, that is called the ozone layer depletion. According to book, or the ozone layer is mainly found in the lower part of the stratosphere between 15 km to approx 35 km above mean of sea level. Ozone gas is concentrated here. और यहाँ पे जो गैस मिलती है पर्टिकुलर here the ozone gas O3. Ozone gas from this gas acts as a shield and do not allow high energy ultraviolet rays of the sun to reach earth surface, and not allow the ultraviolet rays of the sun to reach earth surface. Clear? The ozone layer protects us from the ultraviolet rays. The decrease in the concentration of ozone gas in the ozone layer above over a large area is known as ozone layer depletion or ozone hole. So what is ozone layer depletion? The decrease in the concentration, यानी ओजोन गैस में कमी होना, ठीक है, in the ozone layer a large area is known as the ozone layer depression or ozone hole. After the 1970 decades, there is decrease about 4% per decade of ozone is seen in the stratosphere, and during this same duration there is a seasonal decrease of stratospheric ozone in polar region of the earth. This is known as the ozone hole. Here day by day decreasing the ozone layer, ozone layer depletion, the ozone layer depletion found here. And ozone layer found in the 15 km to 35 km in the stratosphere, and in the last 50 years man has destroyed the natural balance by the releasing harmful chemicals in the atmospheric, which led to the depletion of this life-saving shield. And Oxford scientist G.M.B. Dobson, the name is G.M.B. Dobson, made a machine to monitoring ozone layer in 1920. ओजोन लेयर के मॉनिटरिंग के लिए जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट बनाने वाले जोग्राफर है, दैट नेम इज द डॉब्सन. Depletion of ozone layer. According to the studies on ozone layer done by the scientists in the last few days, the level of atmospheric ozone is decreasing slowly. Here the ozone for increase the pollution and the halogenic gases, then ozone layer starting to decreasing, या ozone gas decreasing in the ozone layer. The depletion of ozone layer was firstly detected. Firstly कब देखा गया? 1980. Scientists explored that there is a ozone hole over Antarctica and ozone is decreasing 0.5% per year. So firstly here the found the ozone layer hole in the Antarctica, after that in Australia and the New Zealand also. Ozone layer से कहाँ पे मिला? Ozone layer hole found in Antarctica, Australia and New Zealand. Clear? Causes of the ozone layer depletion. causes of ozone layer depletion. So mainly here the causes of the ozone layer depletion, halogenic gases like chlorofluorocarbon, bromine, methyl chloroform and the carbon tetrachloride. These gases are the responsible for here the ozone layer depletion, and the sources of where these gases are degassing, these sources are the main responsible for the ozone layer depletion. Chlorine, the free chlorine is responsible for the ozone layer depletion in stratosphere. One molecule of the chlorine destroy 1 lakh molecules of the ozone. Only one molecule of the chlorine destroy the approx 1 lakh molecules of the ozone. Then here by this chemical reaction, Cl chlorine plus O3, then here the ClO chlorine monoxide and the O2. यहाँ पे क्या क्या ब्रेक द ओजोन मोलिक्यूल्स, देन ClO, देन O3, फिर वापस Cl बन रहा है, देन 2O2, देन यहाँ पे भी क्या है, क्या जो O3 है उसको तोड़ दिया, तो यानी वन मोलिक्यूल ऑफ द Cl क्लोरीन का एक मोलिक्यूल क्या कर रहा है, अप्रोक्स O3 के कितने 1 lakh molecules को ब्रेक करता है. The main dangerous gas या element is the chlorine for the ozone layer depletion. Effects of ozone layer depletion. Depletion of ozone layer can cause skin cancer. Depletion of ozone layer can cause skin cancer and eye disease. So many type of the disease by the ultraviolet rays here. Phytoplanktons are the destroyed. Phytoplankton in the oceans is the destroyed due to ultraviolet rays and which have an adverse impact on the marine food chain. जो marine food chain है, marine food chain से मतलब जो समुद्री जीव होते हैं ना, उनकी जो chain that is destroyed here, and it causes decrease in the production and the quality of the many crops. Decrease the production of the production and also the quality of the crops here. Ultraviolet rays adversely affect our immune system and the many disease in the human body. Ozone depletion will lead to increase of temperature in equatorial region, and जब temperature increase हो रहा है तो what here this will lead to retardation of mental and the physiological development of people. So many problems related to physical and the mental. Depletion of ozone layer at danger. What here? We cannot live without ozone layer because the ultraviolet rays would causes cancer. अब ozone layer नहीं हो तो हम survival नहीं कर पाएंगे. The what was the reason? Cancer, destruction of crops and endanger the marine life. Clear? Another danger is of the melting of the polar ice. जब polar ice melt होगी, that what then increase here the sea level and increase melt the ice and increase the sea level and the coastal region are the same. A large hole or ozone is also here, and if the ice cap in Antarctica melts, Antarctica में hole है और वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, ice melt, then what was the result? Then will be the danger of the flooding on the coastal regions. It will also lead to the increase in the global temperature. Then global temperature increase, then the many type of the problems create on the surface. Efforts to protect ozone layer. Here the first effort. A seminar was organized on ozone layer safety in the London 2 March 1990. यह जब सेमिनार हुआ, इन सेमिनार many representative of the many countries are the include here, and they are have idea share the idea to control the ozone layer depletion. Montreal Protocol was adopted with led to banning of production of CFC also. टोटली क्या करना है, जो मॉन्ट्रियल प्रोटोकॉल के अडॉप्ट हेयर दें, जो भी मेथड है जहां से जो CFC का प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है उसे बैन करना है. एंड हेलोन एंड अदर डिप्लेटिंग केमिकल्स सच एज टेट्राक्लोराइड एंड द ट्राइक्लोरोथेन. बैन ऑन द मोस्ट डेंजरस CFC. जो CFC गैस कहां से मिल रही है, फ्रेन विच इज यूज इन द रेफ्रिजरेटर एंड एयर कंडीशनर. इन्हें क्या किया जाए, बैन किया जाए. ठीक है. बैन टू कंकर्ड एयरक्राफ्ट इन द अमेरिका का जो कनकर्ड एयरक्राफ्ट है उसे भी क्या किया गया, बैन किया गया. एंड लास्ट सेलिब्रेटिंग 16 सितंबर एवरी ईयर एज इंटरनेशनल ओजोन लेयर डे एट नेशनल एंड द स्टेट लेवल विच विल मेक पब्लिक अवेयर ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम थ्रू सेमिनार एंड द वर्कशॉप. every 16 September celebrated ozone layer day, international ozone layer day. These are the efforts to control the ozone layer depletion.